Hardware. All the physical components of a computer system are called hardware. These are the parts which we can see or touch. Some of these parts are visible outside, like keyboard, monitor, mouse, etc. Some are located inside the CPU box, such as CPU, hard disk, etc. Hardware devices are classified as shown: hardware, input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. A computer accepts data and instructions through input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, etc. A keyboard is used to enter words, numbers, and special characters. A mouse is a pointing device that inputs data by using the point, click and drag and drop commands. A scanner inputs printed pictures and text into the computer by reading them. A microphone is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. A touch screen is a screen sensitive to touch, used to interact with the computer by touching the various areas on the screen. A webcam is a digital video camera used to put your image into the computer. Processing device. A computer converts the input into meaningful information through the processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processor. It is the brain of a computer that does all the calculations, runs all the programs, and manages all the operations. The CPU is a chip which is placed inside the CPU box. The working of a CPU can be shown with the help of the following block diagram. ALU, control unit, memory unit, input unit, output unit, arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. The ALU does arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. It also does comparisons like greater than, lesser than, equal to, and so on. Control unit, CU. The CU coordinates between all the parts of the CPU. The CU gets data and instructions from the memory unit and passes them on to the ALU in a step-by-step manner. Memory unit, MU. The MU stores data and instructions given to the computer and the result of the processing. Output devices. A computer displays the results of the processed data through the output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, etc. A monitor, also called the Visual Display Unit, VDU, displays the output as soft copy on its screen. A printer displays the output as hard copy on a paper. Speakers produce music, speech, or other sounds as output. Headphones are small speakers used to hear the sound without causing disturbance to others. A projector displays the output from the computer screen to a larger screen. Storage devices. When you have finished working with your data, you can store it in a permanent form is called storage devices like hard disk, DVD, pen drive, etc. are storage devices. Software. Computer hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instructions to perform a task. These stepwise instructions are called software. The games you play on a computer are examples of software. Let's take another example. You purchase a movie DVD. You can touch and hold the DVD, but you cannot touch the movie stored in it. So, the DVD is the hardware and the movie in it is the software. Types of software. There are mainly two types of software. 1. System software. 2. Application software. System software. System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. So, the system software is like a manager of a computer system. The main job of the system software is to prepare the computer for you to work and run application software. Operating system is an example of system software. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system available today. It has different versions like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. System software is a very important part of a computer system. Without system software, the computer is like a car without a driver. Application software. Application software is used to perform a specific task. For example, you can draw and color pictures in Paint software, but you cannot play a movie or a song in it. To play a song, you need to run the Windows Media Player, which is another software specially designed to play movies and songs. Hence, Paint and Windows Media Player are examples of application software, but both are used for different tasks. Some other application softwares are Word is used for typing letters, applications, articles, and essays. PowerPoint is used for creating presentations. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing photos and designs. Working of a computer. Most of the machines that you use in your daily life are like juicer, washing machine, etc. These works according to commands given by you. Let's read about how computer works. IPO cycle. A computer works on the IPO, input process output cycle. Input process output. Input 3, 6 plus data. Process 3 plus 6. Information. Output 9. Keyboard, CPU, monitor. Input. The data and instructions we give to the computer is called input. The device that is used to send input to a computer is an input device. Process. The computer takes action on the data entered by the user. It converts the data into meaningful information with the help of the processor, which is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. This conversion of data into information is called processing. Output. The result which we get after processing the data and instructions is called output. The output which is displayed on the screen of a monitor is called the soft copy. A printout of the soft copy on paper is called the hard copy. Types of computers. All types of computers have a CPU, keyboard, and a screen to display output, but they differ in their size, cost, and speed. Let us learn more about them. Microcomputers. These computers are made to be used by one person at a time. Desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone are called microcomputers. They are also called as personal computers, PCs. Mini computers. These computers are small general-purpose computers having the capability to serve a number of users simultaneously. They are used for scientific and engineering computations, business transaction processing, file handling, and database management. Mainframe computers. These computers are very large, fast, and powerful computers. Some mainframe computers are so big that they require as much large space as that of a room. They are used in big organizations where large amount of data is used, such as banks. Supercomputers. These are the largest and fastest of all types of computers. They can process very large amount of data quickly. They are used in very big organizations and government departments to do tasks such as weather forecasting and rocket launching.